Step 1. Open the Photos app from your smartphone. Step 2. Tap on the Albums tab at the bottom to view your albums. Step 3. Select the album you want to customize. Step 4. Open the photo you want to set as the album cover. Step 5. Tap the More Egg button at the bottom right corner. Step 6. Choose Set as Album Cover from the menu. Step 7. You will see a confirmation that the album cover set. Step 8. Go back to the Albums page and enjoy your new album covers. Thanks for watching.